Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Shein or Shein. I'm not actually sure how you pronounce it, but more specifically, we're going to see if we can use a vanilla Visa debit gift card to make purchases on Shein. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a quick video, just a few steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. If you're not familiar with Shein, basically it's a discount clothing store app with popular styles for a really low price. But here's the app right here. It's this black and white S. If you don't have the app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened the app. This is the home screen. It has various specials and styles that you can shop for on Shein. But in order to try and add your vanilla Visa debit gift card, you do need to actually be making a purchase. They don't have like a wallet function you can add in. So I have something in my cart right now. So I'm going to click on my cart now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then as you can see, I just have this little $4 item right here. So I'm going to go ahead and try to make a purchase with my Shein account with my vanilla Visa debit gift card. So I'm going to click checkout now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked checkout. So you can see my balance is $5.37. I'm going to choose standard shipping. But if you want to try to use your vanilla Visa debit gift card on Shein, you want to choose this option for payment method, credit or debit card. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then here in my shopping cart, I have a balance of $5.37, and I'm going to choose the standard shipping right here. And if you want to try to use your vanilla Visa debit gift card, you want to click on this line right here called credit or debit card. I'm going to click there and then also click continue purchase. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, the screen pops up with my order number and order information. I'm going to go ahead and enter in the 16-digit vanilla Visa debit gift card, expiration date, 3-digit security code. So I'm going to enter that in off screen now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and entered in all the required information. I'm going to go ahead and click done. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and click this purchase button. Let's see if we can use our vanilla Visa debit gift card on Shein. Okay, guys, just a few seconds later, I got this pop-up that says payment successful. So it looks like, yes, you can use your vanilla Visa debit gift card on Shein as a payment method. As you can see, the order went through no problem at all. If you were not able to use your vanilla Visa debit gift card on Shein for some reason, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know why that might be. But as far as I can see, it looks like it should not be an issue at all for you. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.